Introducing the Pulse Oximeter Handheld, a high-quality device with a finger probe that is ergonomically designed to fit comfortably in your hand. This pulse oximeter provides fast and reliable SpO2 and pulse rate measurements on patients of all ages, from neonates to adults. It continuously corrects for background noise to enhance artifact recognition, ensuring accurate results every time. The device also depicts quantitative pulse rate strength, giving a true indication of pulse strength and perfusion status. It has the capability to store data for up to 99 different patients, making it ideal for healthcare professionals who need to track multiple patients' information. With simple on or off controls and running on 3C cell batteries, this pulse oximeter is lightweight and easy to use. Whether in a clinical setting or at home, the pulse oximeter handheld is a reliable tool for monitoring oxygen saturation levels and pulse rates.